When it comes to a classic picnic boat, the TALERIA 29R is one of the best. Hinckley 2016 TALERIA 29R is a great looking boat. It's got bow thrusters in the bow. As you can see, a nice blue hull. All class here, extraordinary craftsmanship. It's equipped with a Volvo diesel engine with 435 horsepower. Stabilizers on each side. Now let's go take a look. So now we're in the cockpit of the boat. Very, very nice boat here. It's a picnic style boat, so you have your sink, a seating area to talk, and as we work our way inside the boat here, we're gonna go to the helm. It's equipped with Marine and Fusion audio, as well as a head. Just a little guy in there we can lay out. Very bright boat with the wood. Great for Lake Minnetonka. If you like this style of picnic boat, come take a look. We're here in Rogers, Minnesota. Give us a call and stop in. Thanks.